Here I have HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it you can just switch this mode, and by holding a finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode, like you can add people, it could be conversations, calls, messages. You can add apps to exceptions. You can also add alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, and calendar events. You can set up a schedule for this mode. You can set up default duration of Do Not Disturb, and you can also hide notifications, like you can only hide sound from notifications, or you can disable like visuals and sound from notifications, or you can just customize it and select what you want to hide and what you don't want to hide, basically. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.